Hi guys. So in this video, we are going to learn about resolving conflicts and git pull request. Okay. So this is very important concept and like day in means per day you'll be doing it's like 2-3 times. Okay. So you can imagine like how much important it is. Okay. And many people they waste too much time. Okay, in resolving these conflicts and all those things. Okay. So if you'll understand the concept, it is like very easy, like cakewalk for you guys. Okay, so let's get started. Suppose when conflicts get arises, okay. Suppose we have one master branch, okay. We have master branch and we have test A and test B. All are in the same page. It means like each and every file in all the places are at same state. Okay. Now suppose this tester A is working on this a.txt file and this tester B is working on this a.txt file. Both the testers are working on the same file. Okay. Now suppose this tester is done with his changes. What it will do, it will commit the changes and it will ask master branch to merge the changes. Okay. Now when master merge the changes, his changes, now this a.txt file version for this and this master, okay, for master and test B, matlab you tester B, both for both of them, the version of this a.txt file is same. Okay, but this tester is still, this guy was working on the older a.txt, okay, because he haven't pushed his changes to master, or he has not taken any pull request the updated code to his local repository. Okay, so still it is working on this. When this guy will ask master to merge his changes, at that time conflict will get arises because his changes is not having the changes done by this guy. Okay, at that time conflict will get arise. Okay, so now might be you'll be thinking why a.txt, this is not the means, generally we will be not doing any changes in the text file, but suppose there is some helper class. Okay, where you have written some common methods and some requirements came because of that. This guy has updated some methods in some helper class, and this guy has also done some changes in helper class. Okay, so those things it happens commonly in every organization on day-to-day basis. Okay, so in that case this conflict will arise. So how to resolve those conflicts, we will be seeing it in this video. Okay, now let's create the same structure here. Go to git bash, check how many branches are there. Okay, git branch dash a. Okay, so currently we have master branch. Let's create two branch. Okay, git branch, sorry, git checkout dash b means branch test a. Okay, we created one branch test a. Now git status, nothing. Now let me switch back to master. Okay, git checkout master branch. Okay, now git branch dash a. See, now we have two branch. One is master and one is a. Now let's create one more. Git git checkout dash b means branch and test b for tester b. Okay. Now git status. Okay. Nothing is there to create. Working directory is complete. Okay. Now what we did, we created this branch and this branch. So the soon you'll create branch, whatever the copies file and folders are available to this master branch, all will come to this also and to this also. If you'll create 10 branches, for all the 10 whatever files and folders are there with this branch, everything will go to that branch. Okay, now we have test A and test B. Suppose tester B is doing some changes to a.txt file. Okay, now currently we are in branch some test B branch only, right? Test B branch. Let's use vi editor a.txt. Okay, so now we are here. So let's do some changes over here. Press I to insert, backspace to delete. Changes added by tester B. Okay, press escape button, colon WQ, save and quit. Okay, perfectly fine. Now git status. See, we have now, let's commit it. Git add dash git commit dash m. What is the message? Changes done by Mr. B. Perfectly fine. Now we will do git status. It will tell everything is clean. Okay. Now switch to tester A. Okay. Now git check out which branch? Test A branch. Okay. Now we are in test A branch. You can see like branch got changed. Earlier it was B, now it is A. So till now what we did, we were having all the master A and B were having all the same version of a.txt. Now this guy has done some changes and he has committed locally to his working directory only. Okay. Till now he hasn't requested master to merge his changes. Okay. Now this guy is doing some changes in this file. Okay, so whatever changes was done by this guy, it should not be available to this guy. Okay, because he has not taken full and his changes is not available in this master branch. So it is like totally independent. This guy is working totally independent. Till now he hasn't raised any request to master to merge his changes. Okay, so now sorry, vi editor a.txt. So we should see the older things only. See changes done by tester B is not there, right? So let me do some changes over. Press I to insert, yeah, and we'll see these changes. This changes is done by tester, by tester A. Earlier it was tester B, now we have made it tester A. Press escape colon WQ7 quit. Okay. Now let me commit this. Git commit dash m and changes made by tester A. Right? Perfect. Now git status perfectly fine. Everything is clean. Now what we'll do, see this guy has done some changes to this file and its changes is available with this, means his changes is available with this guy only. Okay, because he has done some changes, he has committed it locally, okay, to his system only. Now this guy has done some changes, it is available to him. Now what is happening, this guy is asking master branch to merge his changes. Okay, to merge changes we need to go to that master branch. Git check out master. Now we are in master branch. So what is the command to merge? We have studied in last video, right? So git merge, which one? Test B. B changes we are merging. Okay. So it is telling like B changes is merged now. Type git status. So it is telling like everything is clean. Its changes is merged. So if we will see, currently we are in master branch. Okay. And we have merged B changes. So git now vi a.txt if we will open, then B changes should be available over there. See, changes added by tester B, because his changes we have merged to master, not A changes haven't requested till now to merge it. Okay, that's what this B changes is available over here. Press escape colon q to quit. Okay, now let's try to merge the changes done by tester A. Okay, so what we have to do, git merge and branch name like test A. Perfect. Press enter. See here it is telling, see there is a conflict, merge conflict in a.txt. Okay, first you have to fix it, then only you will able to merge this. Okay, so for see here, whenever conflict will come now, so here it will tell like merging. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to type git merge tool. Okay, see, git merge tool, that's it. See, now when you'll type merge tool, no, so this tool kdk3diff, right, last to last video we have learned this, how to install this. So this got opened. Okay, now it is telling total number of conflicts is 1, number of automatically solved conflicts is 0, and number of unsolved conflicts is 1. Okay, now click OK. Now what will happen? See, this changes is done by tester B, this changes is done by tester A, and this is what the initial file was there. Okay, so just you have to click here in this area. Okay, let me highlight this so that it will be more clearer. Where is that? Yeah, perfectly fine. See here, so in this area it is like you have to click here. Okay, just click here. Okay, and after clicking here, see these buttons got enabled at the top: A, B, and C. A is the base file. Okay, and B is like his changes, the tester B changes, and C is the tester A changes. Okay, so after clicking here it is telling merge conflict. Here you have to merge the conflict. If you will press on this, okay, this A button, so what will happen, you know, this guy changes will come. Okay, sorry, not A, B. B is the middle one. A is pointing to this one, B is pointing to this one, C is pointing to this one. If you will type A, what will happen? These changes will come. If you will type B, these changes will come. If you will click on this C, then these changes will come. Okay, so let me tell you again. If you will press A, this A button, so this guy's changes will come. For example, let me show you. See, soon we will be sending report. See, soon we will be sending report. Okay, press again, it gone. Okay, now if you press B, this guy changes will come. Okay, see here, changes added by tester B. Okay, so now click on this, this will go up. Now when you'll click on C, these changes will come. Tester A changes by tester A, C changes by tester A. It came, right? How nice it is. Now if you want to hold these changes also, these changes also, so what you have to do, click on B and then click on C. See what happened, his B changes also came and tester A changes also come because we press B and C. If you want to have this also, you can click on A. So this changes also came, but I don't want changes A, but I just want to have these two changes. Okay, so I'll click on A, so the A changes will go, and here you can see from B column and C column, see it is coming. Now what you have to do we have done with the changes, right? Just click on this save icon. Okay, click on this save icon. Once you'll save, this got resolved. Okay, just close this window. Now our conflict got resolved, right? Git status. Okay, see here, it is telling like you have modified this file a.txt. Who has modified? Master has modified this. Okay, to merge those conflicts. Okay, and here it is telling like original files. Okay, so whenever you'll do any changes, okay, any changes like there is some conflict, so to have one backup of the original file, what git will automatically create one file, a.txt.org. Okay, so automatically it will create one file for you. So don't worry about that, we are not going to use that. Okay, so now we have modified a.txt, right? Let me commit this, git add, because who has done these changes? Master has done these changes, right? Git commit sm conflicts resolved by master. Okay, perfectly fine, conflict resolved by master. Now master, when you will open this a.txt, right? Let me open it and show you a.txt. See now both the changes are there, no? A changes, B changes. Okay, so who has done these changes? Master has done these changes. A has not done, B has not done, right? Who has done? Master has done these changes. So with B tester up to this much it is available. With A tester up to this much it is available, but this line is not available. Okay, so let me go and press Q. Now let me go to other branches. Okay, like git checkout test A. Okay, now we have switched to branch to test A. Now let me type git, not git, vi a.txt. Okay, see, still B changes are not available to this guy. Why? because this guy has done some changes and it has asked master to take his changes. Okay, so master took his changes and he found some conflict. Who found? Master found conflict. So whatever a.txt file was available to master, this master has done some changes. Okay, it has kept both the files, a files and b files, but still this guy is not having the updated file. To take the updated file, this guy needs to take pull request from master. Okay, so git pull. See, when we'll type pull, no, currently we have two other branches are there. Okay, test b is also there and master is also there. So it is asking which, from which branch you want to track. Okay, so we will specify from which branch we want to track. Okay, so for that, see, it has given some command over here. Okay, git branch set upstream to equal to which branch name. Okay, so let me type this git branch double dash set dash upstream dash to equal to master. Okay, from master we want to keep track. Okay, see, now it is like keeping track with the master. Okay, now master is having changes, both the changes which a has done, b has done, but a is still having the changes which a has done, not the changes which b has done, like not the updated file which master is having. So to take that, what we have to do, git pull, just git pull, that's it. See, now whatever changes was there in master, it came over here. Okay, now if you'll go to where it came to a tester. Okay, this tester. Okay, this tester pointed this as a reference, like I want to it as an upstream, so that it should always be compared between these two files. Okay, from master and this one. Now now if we will, now we have pulled the changes, right? Now if via.txt if we'll do, we should get the updated file. See, the changes added by b and the changes done by a, right? So both the changes is available over here. Perfectly fine. Now let's go and check out branch b. Okay, git check out branch, git check out test B, right? Perfect. Now we are in B branch. See here, this guy took pull request and it got updated, but still this guy has had not took pull request. Okay, so he changes when conflict arises. This master has taken changes from this guy also and from this guy also. So this guy's changes is not available to him. So what it needs to do, it needs to take pull from which branch? So master branch. Okay, so first we'll see whether the changes are available or not. It should not be available. Okay, vi a.txt, because this guy has not taken pull. See here, it is telling changes added by tester b, but changes added by tester is not available. Okay, so to do that, what you have to do, we have to put git pull. Okay, git pull. See, this guy is also asking from which branch you want to keep track. Okay, which is your upstream, you have to set your upstream branch. Okay, so for that, git branch double dash set upstream dash to equal to master. Perfectly fine. Now if this guy will take git pull request, all changes will come. See, now changes came. Now git, sorry, not git, vi a.txt. See, now both the changes are available, right? See, this is how we have to take pull request. We have to resolve the conflict. So this is what it used to be done in this way only. This is very important concept. Might be if you'll watch one time, it will not be clear, but means whatever best way was there, I tried to explain you everything. But still, if you'll find any difficulties, put in comments, and I'll try to explain you in some better way. Okay. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.